Hey guys, it's Sugar. So we're in the airport and I'm actually already boarding. We're heading to the airplane, but we're actually going to Taiwan and I'm so excited. So yeah, let's go. I think, but this is how the airport looks like. This thing is like super duper cool though. So yeah. Hi guys, so right now we are in this Wi-Fi router pickup because we picked up our Wi-Fi. So we have a Wi-Fi everywhere we go. So I'm just waiting for my uncle because his Wi-Fi isn't working. So we're just sitting here in the corner. I don't know, but we're gonna ride an MRT and we finally got our beep card. Okay, we're gonna check the balance. How am I supposed to? Walang bawas. Alright, so we got through. I don't know where we're going next. Update for you all. We're still walking and we actually already ate. I got like chicken. I honestly don't know what that was because it's like a lot of mixture of food, but it was really good. But yeah, we're finding a train to go to our hotel. Yes, we are here. I don't even know where we are, but it looks like Shimending. I look really haggard now. I'm very oily, so I'm very sorry. Alright, so after so much walking, we're finally here. We kind of look lost because we have like so many luggages and we're just literally strolling on the street. But it's alright. And I'm already seeing so many stores I want to go into, so I'm very excited. But first of all, we got to go to the hotel so we can check in. And actually, I really want to rest because we woke up at like 3 a.m. and like we're here. And I'm honestly really tired. I don't even know if you can hear me from this loud noise, but Alright guys, so right now we're just walking around Shimending. We haven't checked in because the check-in is around 3 and it's not yet 3, so I have to wait until 3 so we can stay in the hotel. So for the meantime, we're just going to kind of walk around. 3 a.m. It's 3 p.m. now, so we get to check in. So we're in the hotel room now and I'm gonna go show you guys the room. It is so nice and it's actually really big. Oh no, I got locked out. Ah! Nalak ako. Naglalak siya. Down. We just took a rest in the hotel room and then we went down and we came up to this, which is absolutely horrible. It's raining, so we're just inside the room for the covering and we're gonna get milk tea, which I'm so excited because Taiwan, they have the best milk tea as I've heard. So we're just getting milk tea from this place. I don't know what it's called though. This is Chicago. Chicago. Ba't lasang gatas? Getting some shoes actually from ABC Mart, and he's been wanting those shoes for a long time, so siya. But we're now looking for Puma because I really want to get those Puma BTS sneakers. Found it! We found it! To fail, there was no BTS Puma shoes. So far, I think everything was a flop because I've already tried 2 milk teas and honestly, I hated them. I really did not like them and I did not finish them. Which I feel bad because I spent money on them, but... And then another thing that happened is I was looking for Puma BTS shoes, which I'm not really sure if it's really hard to find because obviously it's BTS, so... You know, but every store that I looked for that has Puma, that sold Puma, they didn't have it either, so... It's currently raining, but I think we're going back to the hotel. So I'm with my brother now, and the rest, mom and my cousin and my uncle already went back to the hotel. We're just strolling around. I don't really know what we're looking for, but I really do want to get something like BTS themed. I mean, I'm in Taiwan and I'm looking for Korean stuff. What is this? And then we also actually went to this really cute clothing store, but I didn't get anything. Okay, so we're going up in the steps. We've been looking for like K-pop stuff for the longest time now. So oh my god, they have every single album. Really embarrassing right now, but they literally have all the albums and I'm fangirling like really hard, so I already got 2. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna get though because guys, I'm trying to save, okay? I'm trying to get only one, so it's kind of hard to choose. And I'm getting the newer ones, like the most recent albums, because why not? So, I was feeling down earlier because of the milk tea because I thought it was a total flop. But now I'm probably the happiest person. So we found another like K-pop, K-drama, just anything Korean store, and I am bursting. They have so many like goods. Okay, so it's really crowded right now, but we're heading back to the hotel finally. We actually missed a few blocks and some turns. Alright, we're back in the hotel. Success! We're here!
But behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.